You're watching the Wellness Hour, leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Today's topic, a hot topic, a new laser treatment for people that are suffering with gum disease. With us, we have an expert on the topic, board-certified periodontist, Dr. Scharf. Dr. Scharf, welcome, I should say, back to the show. We've had you on before.
Thanks, Randy.
Now, before we get into the topic, this new laser that treats gum disease, tell me a little bit about your practice for people that don't know you. Well,
I'm a periodontist, board-certified periodontist, and I practice in beautiful Babylon Village, right on the south shore of Long Island.
Okay.
I've been in that location about 13, 14 years, and I was a couple miles west about 5 years before that. And the focus of my practice as a periodontist is really twofold. First, we help people regain their confidence, regain their smile by placing dental implants. That can be someone that's lost their teeth and has loose dentures, or someone that needs a whole new set of teeth. And another big part of my practice is treating periodontal disease. And you know, periodontal disease is really the #1 cause of tooth loss in adults. And we can do everything from cover recession when people have long-looking teeth, to treat gum disease, regrow bone around teeth.
A lot has changed, though, you say.
Oh, tremendous.
I mean, now it's a fun for you to take care of it. Whereas, expand on that. What do you mean by that?
You know, the treatment of periodontal disease has really changed dramatically in the 20 or so years that I've been a periodontist. When I finished my perio training, advanced periodontal disease was always treated with cut and stitch gum surgery. And people would do it because they wanted to keep their teeth, but nobody enjoyed doing it. No one thanked me for doing it when we were done.
Right.
And it was, although technically it was enjoyable to do, that's why a lot of people become periodontists, it's hard to enjoy doing it when you know that people weren't enjoying having it.
Okay, okay. So now this new laser has changed all that. I mean, is it really that different?
It's completely different
than the way it was before?
It's completely different. You know, before, when someone came in with advanced disease, they'd have a number of visits with a hygienist of scaling, 3 or 4 visits, and then they would have a number of visits of gum surgery, where we lift the gum up from around the teeth. I'll show you in a little bit. I brought some pictures to show you. And now with the laser, we can reverse 20 years of neglect sometimes, or 20 years of disease in a couple 2-hour sessions. So
things like no more bleeding gums, no more loose teeth, no more bad breath. These are, I mean, are these truths about what this laser can do?
Yeah,
I mean, not an exaggeration?
Not an exaggeration at all. This laser I found to be as effective or more effective at treating periodontal disease than was the old cut and stitch surgery.
Now, we should